Next up, we have a 1958 wheat penny that looks like it has lived through everything the last 7 decades could throw at it. From the very first glance, you can tell this coin has been in pockets, jars, glove boxes, and probably a few dusty drawers. The surface shows heavy wear from top to bottom, with Lincoln's portrait softened and rounded out from years of circulation. The fields around him carry small pits and dirt spots that have settled in over time, giving the coin a darker and uneven tone. Even the date shows fading around the edges, and the word Liberty is still readable, but worn enough to prove this penny worked hard its whole life. When you flip it over, the story becomes even clearer. The wheat stalks on the reverse are still there, but they're heavily flattened. The lines inside each stalk are barely visible, and the center area around 1 cent has a patchy, almost gritty feel from decades of handling. The rim shows light bumps and knocks, all typical of a penny that stayed in circulation for many years after it was minted. This is exactly the kind of condition that tells us the coin survived real use, not just storage. But here's where it gets interesting. Even in this rough state, a 1958 wheat penny can surprise collectors. This was the last year the wheat reverse ever appeared. After 1958, the design changed forever, which makes every surviving wheat penny from that year a small piece of American history. And although millions were minted, certain rare errors can push values higher than anyone expects. There are misaligned dies, off-center strikes, early die breaks, and even the rare doubled die that specialists still hunt for. One dramatic error from this year sold for well over 6 figures because it showed a strong spread in the date and lettering. That's why collectors still check every single 1958 penny closely, even ones that look like this. Now, in a circulated condition like the one shown here, with heavy wear and long-term aging, this penny usually trades hands for a few dollars. But if this same coin were found in uncirculated or near mint condition, the value jumps upward fast. High-grade survivors have reached into the thousands, and the best-known examples graded at the top levels have pushed toward the 6-figure range. Add even a minor rare error, and you're suddenly talking about values collectors chase across the country. A dramatic off-center strike or clean doubled lettering could easily send one of these to $300,000 or more in today's high-demand market. What makes this coin exciting is the possibility hiding beneath the wear. Every scratch and dark patch tells a story, but collectors aren't looking for beauty alone. They're searching for rarity, the mistakes the mint didn't catch, and the few survivors that beat the odds. And that's why even a worn 1958 wheat penny deserves a closer look. Sometimes the most tired-looking coins turn out to be the ones that rewrite the value charts.